Hi everyone, welcome to this channel. And in this video, I will show you and tell you how you can very easily unlock a contact or phone number on your iPhone. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, put likes, write comments. Let's get started. In order to unlock a contact, there are two ways. And both of them I will show you in this video. And so the first method. We need to go into the phone book and find the contact that we blocked, either just by scrolling through, or if we go to the search box and type in that person's name, as we have it signed. Now, once we've gone to our contact, and in order to unblock it, we don't go to the bottom. And here we find the line unblock this caller. And after you click here, you'll see that this contact has been unblocked immediately. And another such indication that the contact was in the block is that this line was not in red, it was in blue. But what to do if the contacts you want to unblock you cannot find in the phone book or do not remember how to sign the person, let's say. Then you have to go into your phone settings and scroll down until you find the phone. Next, at the bottom, we find the blocked contacts. And here you'll have contacts that you've once previously blocked. And in order to unlock, say, a few contacts, you have to click on Edit at the top. And like this, as I have one contact showing, you can have many such lists showing. And in order to unlock multiple contacts, you can just click on this minus in order to unlock them. Or if it's one person, you can also click on the blocked contact part. And at the bottom, you can see that name. And just to unblock, swipe to the left side, find the word unblock part. Tap it. And as you can see now, instantly your contact is unblocked. These are the two simple ways you can unlock someone's phone number or a contact on your iPhone if you have locked it somehow before. I hope this video was helpful for you. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Be sure to give us your likes and comments. See you later.